Thomas Park is ranked number 1 in my list of best parks around Cedar Rapids. I think this is what the kids love the most about this park. Good job! Go inside! This park is the most frequented by schools because the most to do, and it's large. It can accommodate huge numbers of kids, so I guess that's why it is chosen. Are you guys back to school or is it a camp?
Right now we're in camp.
When will your camp over?
In 3 days.
Oh my, enjoy the park.
We will. It's our last field trip.
Oh my gosh.
Ours is Linn Grove, but we really go to Wilkins.
Oh, I
we
see.
like mix, but some Indian Creek are full, so they have to come too.
Oh, that's good. Alrighty. This is the back end of the park. This is where you will find luscious trees, parking, a basketball court, and the like. Right now I am on the bridge and I love listening to the bubbling water here. It's pure and it's listen. Parents tend to come biking. I live about a couple of miles away. I come under the bridge and I bike here, park our car here, and then take the boys for a ride. I have 3 sons. Having this park available is a blessing. So you can bike, take your dog for a walk, and this is one of the best trails here in this part of town. Back here, look closely, you will see this is a Frisbee court, and the court goes up in the trees and in the back. Of course, during the summer, kids love coming here to play basketball, and the basketball hoops are pushed in the corners of the rink. When winter comes, you have the whole thing to ice skate. Thomas Park is ranked number 1 in my list of best parks around Cedar Rapids. The park is well maintained. There is always some kind of big machine cleaning out dirt, litter, and whatnot, and paving out the roads. So this is another thing I like about this park. If you come here at 10 p.m., people are playing, and they pick after themselves. They do not litter. They have about 3 pavilions, so this is one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So if you decided to have a birthday party during the summer and you want to bring your kids in the park to play, so you can call Marion Park and Rec and rent one of those pavilions to have your party. See, there are outlets available. If you have things to plug in, they work, and sometimes they use them for lights at night. And these are the people that has already rented these for their own parties. Decided to grill something. 2 grills are available for each pavilion.
My problem lately is trying to get them to calm down once they get inside.
I hope you liked the tour of Thomas Park. Until next time. Bye.